Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how industrial robots are assembled.
Here is the scanner. Everything looks correct for the circuit boards.
Perfect. I will log the servo motors now.
In industrial robotics, precision is paramount. Every component must align perfectly, with zero tolerance for error.
Every robot is programmed and tested for optimal performance before moving forward. Calibration ensures each robot performs with perfect precision.
Look at the fluctuation on the z-axis.
It stabilized after the third pass. We have a confirmed green.
Only flawless robots move to final deployment.
The gripper articulation is within tolerance at maximum velocity.
Good, the calibration holds.
And that's how industrial robots are assembled, from start to finish. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.